Hello, welcome to K Wellness TV. In this video, I want to show you how to do the chest breathing well. Chest breathing is a very good preparation training to do abdominal breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. Especially if you believe that you have lots of stress and tension in your body. I recommend that you do your chest breathing first before you do the deeper breathing. And our chest is very sensitive to stress, so it is easy to hold lots of tension here. So follow my guidelines and do the chest breathing, then you can relax more so that you can activate the energy flow around your chest. Let's do it. First, relax your body and find comfortable posture. You can sit on the floor or on a chair and relax your body and naturally straight your spine and rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes so that you can focus inside. First, let's relax our body. Imagine fresh and clear energy is coming to your body. Feel the top of your head, forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth, and your whole face, your neck, your shoulders, elbows, wrists, and your palms, your chest, your abdomen, hip joints, thighs, knees, your shins, and your calves, ankles, the bottom of your feet. Once again, feel your head, your chest, and your lower abdomen. As you breathe in, your chest naturally expands. As you breathe out, it naturally contracts. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth and let go of the tension. Slowly raise your hands and bring your hands close to your chest. Feel the energy and put your hands on your chest. As you breathe in and breathe out, your chest expands and contracts. Through your palms, try to feel the energy of your lungs. What do you feel? Can you feel warmth or tingling sensation or magnetic sensation? Feel the energy connection between your palms and your lungs. Observe your breathing. Can you feel heartbeat? Can you feel the energy flow? Slowly bring your hands back on your knees. Breathe naturally and comfortably. What do you feel in your chest? Do you feel stuffy or any discomfort? Or do you feel natural and comfortable? Either one is okay. Lean into the feeling and stay with the feeling. Even if you feel stuffy, that is okay. Deeply accept and honor your body condition. Do you feel lots of stress and tension in your chest? Breathe out. As you breathe in, healing energy comes into your body. As you breathe out, stagnant energy goes out. Keep feeling your chest and stay with the feeling. This moment where I can feel my body and my breathing. I feel the life energy in my body and I feel so grateful. Keep focusing on your chest. Imagine all the stress and tension you hold in your chest is going out of your body through your exhalation. I feel so grateful. I can feel the life energy. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, bending forward and breathe out. Rub your palms and massage your face. And sweep down. How do you feel around your chest? Chest is very sensitive about stress. So as you do the chest breathing, you can feel much more comfortable around your chest area. If you feel easily anxious, then I recommend you practice this chest breathing over and over again. One of the key points is to lean into the feeling and stay with the feeling, even if the feeling is not really comfortable. As you stay with it, then the feeling will become much more comfortable. Thank you so much, and leave a comment and let me know about your experiences. Then I will create another video about the deeper level of the breathing meditation. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.